Hi everyone, so this video is in continuation with my previous video, which was the skincare travel essentials. Now I have the makeup travel kit essentials. Now this is the fab bag of some month. Again, I have a lot of bags. I mostly like keeping a clear kind of a makeup bag because it's easier what all I have and what all I don't have. I can easily see that. In addition to the makeup kit, I also have a brush kit, this kind of a brush kit. I guess somebody had gifted this to me. So I always carry these brushes also. They are very basic makeup brushes and I have to clean them. Very basic brushes like the eyebrow brush or the flat brush for the powder and everything. But it's always good to carry no matter where you go, maybe you would just need it. So I always keep this also in my suitcase. And now let's go to what essentials I have. I'll just keep on pulling one thing and showing that to you. So they are in no particular order. And of course I don't use too much makeup, so there won't be like too much of it, but just the basics what I carry. And I mostly carry this because no matter where you're going, you might just want to dress up one day. First thing being the Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. I always carry a mascara because I do use a mascara almost on a daily basis. Second thing is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I keep shuffling my kajals between Lakme, the Colossal one or Plum. So just happen to have Colossal here. This is the black one, the regular black one. Then I had my nail polish remover pads in my skincare, but I have my nail polish here. This I got from Reliance Trends. It is the Pretty Pink shade. Now as you can see, I don't know why it was pretty pink, but it is very a very nude kind of a color. Mostly when I'm traveling, I wear a nude color and I also keep the same spare in my travel kit. Then there is the BB cream which also has some SPF, the SPF 20 in it. I'm currently carrying the Inveda BB cream because it was the smallest in size. You can carry any BB cream of your choice. I do not use foundation, so I do not carry one. I use my BB creams only. Then there is the Maybelline Quartlet. This is the Maybelline Quartlet in the shade, it is copper brown. Okay, so it is in the shade copper brown. This is a very basic kind of a palette which works as a lot of things, so that's why I keep it, because you can use it as a highlighter also, a contour also, and of course for eyes. So this is what I keep when I'm traveling. Then there is my blush, which is the Maybelline Cheeky Glow blush in Fresh Coral. This is Fresh Coral. So yeah, this is the smallest blush that I have, so I carry it. Then I take these Essence Make Me Brow Mascara. It is a very good, I anyways have fuller brows, but just with some gaps and all, I use this mascara. So this has a wand which I can just put on my brows just in case it has some gaps or I want to fill it. Otherwise I use my eyebrow brush to just brush my eyebrows. Then I have the Bodygraphy Primer. If I'm actually getting decked up or getting ready, or I have to be out for let's say 3-4 hours with makeup for a party or something, I use a primer below a BB cream also, and it definitely helps. I must tell you, it helps. So this is a clear primer, suits my skin, that's why I've kept it. Then there's this compact. This is the Lakme compact. At times I use Maybelline, at times I use this one, so just happens to be there. Then there are my lipsticks. So these are so there's a Maybelline Fit Me concealer also. This is in my shade, whichever the shade is. Yeah, I guess I'll link the shade down below. I don't remember the shade. So this is a concealer. At times for my dark circles or for anything else, if I need a concealer, I just have it. And these are my 5 lipsticks that I have. Lipsticks, you just know I love sugar. These are the sugar lipsticks, the 4 ones, all the 4. I just dropped one of the caps of Holy Golightly. So there's Holy Golightly, there's Scarlett O'Hara, there's Poison Ivy, which is the one that I'm wearing also, and then there is Mary Poppins. So these are the 4 lipsticks that I have. For a lip pencil, I use the Maybelline Lip Express. This is the nude color from Maybelline. Works as a lip liner also, and also works, I can also use it as a nude lipstick. So it works as like kind of 2-in-1. So these were my makeup essentials. Anyways, I don't use too much makeup, so I don't carry too much as well. But whatever the essentials, if I'm going even for 3-4 days for some office event or for anything, I mostly carry this, or for a wedding as well. I mostly carry almost this, a little bit here and there. And yeah, that's it. So hopefully you liked my skincare as well as my makeup travel kit. Do let me know what you carry in your makeup kit as well in the comments down below and how you like the video. Until next time, bye.